How to build up professional communication network with proper way. Building a professional communication network can be an important step in growing your career. Here are some tips to help you build and maintain a professional communication network. Step 1. Attend networking events. Attend industry events, conferences, and networking groups to meet people in your field. Step 2. Use social media. Use social media platforms like LinkedIn to connect with people in your industry and stay informed about the latest developments. Step 3. Connect with people you work with. Build relationships with your colleagues, supervisors, and other people you work with. Step 4. Be helpful. Offer assistance and advice to others in your network, and they will be more likely to help you in return. Step 5. Follow up. Follow up with people you meet and connect with regularly to keep the lines of communication open. Step 6. Be respectful of others' time and privacy. When reaching out to someone in your network, be mindful of their time and respect their privacy. Avoid asking for something without having a good reason. Step 7. Join professional organizations. Join professional organizations and associations related to your industry to connect with other professionals. Step 8. Volunteer for industry events. Volunteer for events or groups in your industry to build relationships and gain visibility. Step 9. Reach out to people in your network. Keep in touch with the people you meet through events, social media, or professional organizations. Remember that building a professional communication network takes time and effort, so be patient and consistent with your approach. Also, it's important to remember that building a professional network is not only about what you can get from others, but also about how you can help others.